In our metaphor, we are going to have recursion be a conduction between the working memory and the hippocampus, or in this case, the registers and the stack. When we say recursion for factorial 4, we have an initial call of main, and in main it has its own registers. When we make the first call to factorial, we're going to see that it also has its own set of input and output registers for return. Same thing for 3, same thing for 2, same thing for 1, and then when we reach 0, we are going to hit our base case. That means we update the register in both 1 for factorial 0, but then the value that we're returning is going to be passed to it. And now what's going to happen is we're going to do 1 times 1, and that's going to return 1. Now it sets up 1 times 2, and that gets removed from the stack. 1 times 2 is going to return 2, which now shows up in factorial 3. 3 times 2 is going to be 6, which is returned and freed. 6 times 4 is going to allocate 24, and that's freed. And so now we see that 4 factorial is equal to 24.